Hey guys, what's up? The Best Channel here, and today we're going to be doing some unboxings. So yeah, let's get into it. Here we go. So yeah, first of all we have a Johnson Bros Mercedes-Benz Turismo coach, Reg Y3JBT. Just check if there's anything more in there. Doesn't look like it. Nope. Shove that over there and move on to the next one. So you got two things in here, guys. Oh, maybe more. So yeah, we've got some Arriva sweets, which are shaped like buses. So yeah, we've got 3 times of them. They do look quite cool. I might not eat them, might just keep them in my cabinet. So yeah, here's the front, and here's the back. And then obviously these are the same. And then this one. And then here we have a Arriva M ticket or something. So yeah, quite cool, shaped like a phone. And yeah. Opens up like that. Just see if I can pop it back now. So yeah, here's the front and here's the back. So let's get the thumbnail now, guys. So thank you guys for watching and peace out.